What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm going to be giving a very important update on Quant. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So first things first, I'm going to give a Quant overview for any of you guys that don't know. So Quant is currently trading at a price point of just under $98. It has a market cap of 1.1 billion, which ranks 37th among all cryptocurrencies. And Quant has a max supply of only 14.8 million, with 12 million in circulation, which is about 81%. Now to put that into perspective, Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million, which means that Quant is just over 2/3 of the supply of Bitcoin, which makes it even more scarce than Bitcoin is. And Quant reached its all-time high back in the 2021 bull market of $428 and is down 77% since then. And if you're looking to invest in Quant, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. So Quant launched in June of 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system, which they call the Overledger network. So the main aim of Quant is to bridge the gap that exists between different blockchains. So there are a lot of people out there that just see Quant's extremely scarce supply and they assume they're trying to be another version of Bitcoin, because in Bitcoin's case it works as digital gold, a store of value, or a hedge against inflation. And yes, technically Quant has all of those properties. However, Quant is essentially trying to do something much bigger and be the glue for the entire world economy, solving interoperability, which quite frankly is about as big of a use case as you can get. And on top of that, Quant is one of 8 cryptocurrencies that are rumored to be ISO 20022 compliant. This allows them to integrate within the entire financial sector, working alongside central banks with cross-border payments. And naturally, this will give Quant a lot more credibility than most projects. And the founder of Quant is Gilbert Verdian, who has over 20 years of industry experience in upgrading the security, technology, and business strategies of businesses around the globe in order to achieve tangible results. And he also founded the ISO standard TC307, which currently has 53 countries working towards it, and it's responsible for the standardization in relation to blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. So if you guys are looking to invest in Quant, I highly recommend you do a little more research into Gilbert Verdian. I believe he has one of the most impressive resumes in all of crypto. And then if you go to Quant's website, the foundation of the blockchain economy, assets of all kinds from currencies to carbon credits are being tokenized on blockchain. And this is my favorite part. Our patented technology makes this simple, trusted, and future-proof. Their technology is patented. You aren't going to see a bunch of other cryptocurrencies trying to copy them. Quant is extremely unique and extremely innovative. And as an investor, that's exactly what you're looking for. And now if we head over to Quant's Twitter, they have 135,000 followers, and they posted just 2 hours ago. Today we have made our enterprise-grade technology Overledger available on application builder place OutSystems Forge. The move underpins our commitment to making blockchain technology simple. And this is very exciting to see. Quant is continuing to grow every single day during the bear market. I can only imagine the growth they're going to have during a bull run, when everyone is interested in Quant and crypto in general. And then August 30th, Gilbert Verdian tweeted out a scam. This is fake. Quant Rewards is mimicking the site to trick users to steal assets in your wallet. Quant Network does not do any giveaways, rewards, airdrops, or staking. So just in general, be very cautious if you see something like this. And now if we get into a little bit of technical analysis, if you look at Quant on the daily time frame, the first thing you'll notice is that I had Quant drawn in a descending triangle, and it actually played out pretty much exactly how I said it would. If you go back to the video that I made about 8 days ago, you can see Quant was trading at $103, and I called out the Class A bearish divergence. Price action swing from a higher high to a lower high. RSI was lower high to higher high. And I said I wouldn't be shocked if price action came down and bounced off the trend line. That's what this line I drew was. And if you go back to Quant, that is exactly what happened, and we wicked off of the trend line 2 different times. And then since then I've just been trading sideways. And my hope is that you guys utilize that information to accumulate Quant at better prices. But in general, if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. I have made many profitable calls during this bear market, and I will continue calling up projects that I believe could be profitable in the future, so stay tuned. But as for what I'm seeing right now, you could argue that the descending triangle is still active, and then the stochastics and the RSI are both extremely oversold right now. And then you could also argue that there is a much smaller falling wedge in place. play, which break up 68% of the time, and it has a measured move up to about $106. So overall, I think Quant looks pretty good on the daily time frame right now. But what you have to understand is that Quant and most other cryptocurrencies are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, most will rise. If Bitcoin falls, most will fall. So that being said, I want to show you guys Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And here's where things start to get really sketchy. And I have said in most of my previous videos, I am very bearish on Bitcoin. So the first thing you guys have to understand is I called this initial drop because I said the 21-day moving average broke beneath the 50-day moving average, which created a death cross. And if you go back in Bitcoin's history, pretty much every time we have a death cross, we have a pretty decent drop. Now, that being said, we have now had another death cross. The 21-day broke beneath the 200-day. And in Bitcoin's history, this death cross is typically more violent than the other one. So that has me a little worried right now. And then if you ignore this fake out candle, you could also argue that Bitcoin is trading in a bear flag, which break down 68% of the time. And it has a measured move down to about $22,300. Coupled with the overbought stochastics, I will not be shocked at all if we drop. So in my eyes, the only thing that saves us is an extremely bullish macro event, or if these major bullish divergences play out. So price action swings from a lower low to a higher low, and a lower low to a higher low. RSI is higher low to lower low, and higher low to lower low. Both of those are class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. Now, I want to be crystal clear. At the current moment, I am bearish on Bitcoin. And for any of you guys that watch my channel consistently, that should tell you something, because I typically lean very bullish, as I strongly believe in crypto in the long term. But right now, there are just so many bearish indicators on Bitcoin. But again, just understand, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF were to get accepted, that could skyrocket Bitcoin and change the entire sentiment of the market. On the contrary, if it gets rejected or something similar to SpaceX liquidating their Bitcoin happens, that could tank the entire crypto market. So I recommend just keeping an open mind. Realize that anything can happen in crypto. And just ask yourself whether or not you believe this price action we're seeing right now is going to have any effect on Bitcoin 2 years from now. Because in my opinion, it won't. I genuinely believe Bitcoin will be sitting much higher than this. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Quant could go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.